Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you what you can do if Snapchat is telling you to wait 72 hours before you can delete your account. This message pops up when Snapchat still sees recent activity on your account, or if you just recently logged in. Here's how to fix it fast. First, stop logging into the account. Once Snapchat gives you the 72-hour restriction message, don't keep trying to log in again and again. Each time you sign in, it resets the timer. So just close the app and stay signed out. Second, uninstall or log out from every single device. If you used Snapchat on another phone, tablet, or emulator, make sure you are logged out on all of them. Go through settings on your phone, apps, Snapchat, force stop, then clear cache. This makes sure there's no background login. Third, turn off any VPN. Snapchat might think your account is suspicious if you're using VPN, so turn it off before you try again. Fourth, wait the full 72 hours without logging in. After 3 days, go back to accounts.snapchat.com on your browser. Sign in one last time and tap Delete My Account. Now it should go through without showing that restriction. If the pop-up still appears, then go back to the unlock page. accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. Sometimes the account is not completely ready to be removed because there's a temporary lock from device or network. Unlock it, then try delete again. That's it, guys. The main trick is simple. Once you get that 72-hour warning, don't keep logging in. Log out, uninstall, remove VPN, wait 3 days, then delete again from the official Snapchat account's website. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.